ChatGPT unable to upload the file. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the ChatGPT application. So as you can see, the option of update is not available, which means that the ChatGPT application is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back to the home screen and make a long press on ChatGPT. Then tap on App Info. Now as I tap on App Info, it will lead me to a new page where you can see the option of Clear All Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that and here you can see the Delete All Data option. Tap on that, and if it's not possible for you, you can just clear the cache. Next, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on the required options over here, like the calendar, camera, contacts, location, and microphone. After that, go back to ChatGPT and now it might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.